Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand one more data structure in Dart programming language is called SplayTreeSet. What is this? We should understand here. So I say SplayTreeSet dot Dart. I say void main. Then I say SplayTreeSet and I say here values equal to. So I say SplayTree like this. Then I say print values. I run it. I say Dart run. Right now we have empty value, but I can do this like this also from, and here I set some value. Now what is this SplayTree set? What is this? There are two quality with this. I display this first, then I explain you. First quality is that it sort your element automatically. Why? Because it is self-balancing BST, binary search tree. Remember, it is self-balancing binary search tree depend on set, means value should be unique and it will sort this automatically. If I insert suppose 9 two time, so it is repeating, so it would not take 9 will come only one time because it's a set. So one quality is that the value should be unique. Second quality is that automatically will sorted by this. Now we can say values dot, we have same function add all, so we can add more also like this. I say like this, remember this one, and suppose I repeat here value automatically, suppose I repeat here 1, so it will remove automatically, only one value will be there. You see, only one time one will be there, other values will remove automatically. So it will sort value automatically and it will maintain the set also, remember that. We can check more functions also. Add is there, clear is there, contain is there, so many other functions. Those I have explained in my previous videos also, same are here. Because this is a data structure, same kind of functions are there, but it is self-balancing binary search tree. That is more important to understand. If you require such kind of facility, you want to sort element or you want to maintain the set also unique element, then you can use this. One more way to create, this is the simple way. You can create like this also. Suppose I say var values equal to display treeset dot off, and I can specify value here also like this. I can say value 1 and I do this also. I say values 1. So like this, I run it 4, 5, 6, 23. So it is also, so you can create like this also. You can create like this also by using var keyword. Depend on you, whatever you want to use. That's all in this video. If you like it, if you understand how to use SplayTreeSet, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.